Hello people, friends and family of my YouTube channel. Welcome to another round of a sketchbook tour. This one I finished quite a while ago. I can't even remember what is in it, but I do recall though that there are some troll sketches in here. It says troll up here on my post-it. Let's take a deep dive. Here we have a sketch from a workshop I attended in, I think it was December or November, where we were 12 illustrators who paired with 12 aspiring writers for fiction for kids and young people. So we dived into memories, and we were asked to draw a memory from when we were kids, 4 years old I think, and something embarrassing happened. And in this specific memory here, I remember my grandmother and mother gave me a lesson about not using so much toilet paper when I was little. So this is a memory that really stuck to me. And then the writer then had to make up a story in words based on that story. And we also had to write, as you can tell here. I had to write about an experience that the writer has had, and then we switched back. So here I had to draw for a memory. That was kind of fun and really inspiring to see how words and drawings can inspire each other in different ways, and you can come up with stuff that becomes strong, authentic, personal. Another one here. And just being forced to draw something with your back against the wall is always a bit interesting, because you can't really hide. You just gotta go with your guts, so to speak. We had a bit of, this is notes for a bit about character development and drama. This is about Ratatouille and Finding Nemo, which was really interesting. And here I could feel that I want to draw also. Write for kids, which is something I am doing at the moment also. And then we were paired, at the next day we were paired with a writer where we had to create a specific project, create a story, and we ended up creating a story, or trying to create a story about a pixie. So here we have different kinds of pixie stories, and we worked with this idea of a pixie that was stressed out and couldn't really live up to the expectations in this family, but we never really got into the character, so the pixie story kind of went on shelf. However, I got to meet a writer, aspiring writer, and we have some stuff that we are talking about back and forth now, so that is really good, and it was really inspiring days. This is from the drawing school where I teach drawing from fishes here. And here we have a local project that I was very excited to work on. Unfortunately, the company actually closed down, which is unfortunate because of some troubles with cooperating the partners, but I can show you the finished locus that I ended up doing, and I got paid, of course, for the work I did, so it's always a bit fun and also very hard to work on logos, because you gotta extract something, boil it down to the essentials, and still keeping it vibrant. More writing here. I wrote 20 minutes, all I could think of when I thought of the color blue. So we have blue highlighter, blue notebook, sky blue, rain blue, blue caterpillar, blue carton, blue as a flame, lavender blue, to be blue, glitter blue, to jump out in the blue. That's maybe more like a Danish saying. A blue whale, a blue cheese, blue fog, Princess Elsa blue, a blue garden, a blue curtain. And I should be doing more of these writing exercises, because if you want to be good at writing, you gotta write, of course. As I always say about if you want to become good at drawing, you gotta draw a lot, so it makes sense. I just haven't got into the routine yet of writing, but I should be doing it more. These are sketches from, can you guess it? Harry Potter. Yes, indeed. Just drawing from the stills of the film here. We have Uncle Vern up here. And the car and Harry down here, and Lucius down here, Hagrid. And here came the troll sketches, and the ones that are circled are the ones that I feel quite happy about. And speaking about writing, I intend to write this story also. A story about a troll and a girl, and currently it's actually a divorce story. I'm just trying to figure out how to assemble the things. Drawing has always come easier to me. And it's a language that I have sort of perfected, I would say, through the past 10 years, but writing is still very new to me, even though I have written one children's book, but it also took me about a year. So I think still it's very difficult to make a story and to make things be coherent and think about character and all those things. I've been more obsessed with figuring out how the troll should look and less about the story, in fact. But perhaps my method is also more to draw my way through a story rather than write it and then pick up the books, the words afterwards. Here she serves the troll fish soup, and here they're in the shower and blowing bubbles with the nose. Maybe she befriends the troll. That would be an interesting story. Mostly doodles here, nothing really specific I've been working on, just kind of keeping the drawing continuous. I think we end here with nothing. So that was not one of the best sketchbook, but still something. Thank you for tuning in, and have fun drawing.